night, broken American dream. Words unplugged, so wet rolled tight, but the spirit kept watch through the longest night. She didn't shout, she listened deep. Let pain teach rhythm, let stillness speak. From hush to fire, from fear to pen, she sang the truth back to the cage birds sing, not because it's free, but it remember what it's meant to be. From claim to right to righteous cry, hear the sound, still we rise, still we Echo Rose, Sister Nancy, Miriam Makeba, Lauryn Hill, Nina Simone, Queen Africa, Marcia Griffith. She sang so daughters would stand upright. Teach them beauty is them birthright. No more bending, no more shame. Every black woman call she name. From Kingston Yard to Mississippi Road, same bloodline, same heavy load, but love still rules, dignity strong. Through the woman them freedom song, the cage birds sing, not because it's free, but not remember what it's meant to be. From clip wing to righteous cry, hear the sound, still we rise. Sister Nancy, Miriam Makeba, Lauryn Hill, Nina Simone, Queen Africa, Marcia Griffith. From Lagos Street to Accra Sun, from Nairobi dawn to Kingston drum, from Harlem Rock to Soweto cry, same system, different disguise. They cage the body, cage the mind, but can't cage time, can't cage design. We rise through culture, rise through sound, roots in the soil, spread, fading, still we rise, still